Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by creating a new Alight Motion project at 1920 by 1080 and 30 frames per second, so playback matches Roblox footage. Once created, import your recorded Roblox clips plus PNG overlays and audio into the media library, then drag clips to the timeline in story order. Trim the start and end of each clip to remove dead time, and make sure primary action hits near cuts. This gives you a clean sequence to refine, without wasting time on trivial setup. You now refine timing and apply motion so the edit feels dynamic. Add keyframes to position, scale, and rotation, and use ease in and out for smoother movement. This prevents robotic motion. Once done, create speed ramps by splitting clips and changing playback percent, then smooth the transition with curve handles. Make layered adjustments. Apply color correction to match shots, add glow to highlights, and use masks to isolate and emphasize a character or object. These steps make the edit look professional and polished. Finish by polishing audio and exporting. You should add impact SFX and background music, then duck the music under important SFX or dialogue so key sounds punch through. Once mixed, export using H.264 at 1080p and choose 8 to 12 Mbps for a good balance of quality and file size. If you encounter lag or stuttering, reduce heavy effects, use a lower resolution proxy while editing, and clear Alight Motion cache. That usually resolves performance problems and keeps your workflow smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.